TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. This is Steve Rhodes coming to you live from, somewhat drenched Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 1 p.m. update. Currently got all the indices trading to the upside. The Dow leading the chart. Well, no, it's the Russell 2000 that's leading the chart. That's up nearly 6%, 95 points. That's a gigantic move out there. The Dow's up 1,370 points. Not that that's not gigantic. It's large. It's not as large as the Russell 2000. Dow's up 4.8%. The S&P 3.3, 115 points. The NASDAQ is up 0.5%, 52 points to the upside. Gold back $92. Silver down $1.83. Light sweet crude, what a big move out here, up $3.33, up 9%. Let's focus in on the indices. I suppose the question in everybody's mind is this a breakout? So let's go take a look at what it is that we know. And here's what we do know. Let me get back here. This is an annual chart for the four core indices that you would trade. You've got the Dow in the upper left, the S&P in the upper right, NASDAQ 100 lower left, Russell 2000 lower right. Start by taking each case here. When a market, you can do this whether it's a daily candle, whether it's a 30-minute candle, it doesn't really matter out here. When you trade above the prior, in this case here, prior year's high, we're taking a look at, and that would be the, 2019 high out here. So inside the Dow, that was 28,701.66 out here. And we need to see a close above this at the end of the year. But as long as price remains above that, you do have a breakout that's going on. And we've got that in the Dow, the S&P, the NASDAQ, and the Russell 2000. Now, in the case of the Russell 2000, it has stopped shy of its all-time high out there, or at least closing above that 1742.08, the actual high so far today. Well, I don't have my data box up, so I can't see it. But you really need to see a close above 1742.08 in order for the Russell 2000 to generate the breakout message. However, we don't just stop here and take a look at this one set of tools. We always recognize, and we really recognize that when the definition of a bull market is when the instrument is rising in all major currencies. This here is the Dow, priced in dollars, euros, yen, and pounds. I want you to focus on the red arrows, not the yellow arrows right now. The red arrows, back in 2007 at the high, we had the Dow making a new high, but we didn't have in dollars, but not in euros and not in pounds. Fast forward to where we're at today. Here's the daily chart. Only in dollars, not in euros, not in yen, not in pounds out here. And that says this is time to be cautious with regard to today's signal. Folks, stay tuned for the Trader's Edge show. But if you have to start your Monday, have a magical, magnificent, marvelous one. And we'll see you on Thirsty, Terrific Taco Tuesday. Take care.